Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Day before yesterday, I went out with my friends. There, we ordered mojito and burger. So the disposable sipper of mojito was very sturdy. So I bought that back home and I cleaned it. So this was the sipper, and as you know that plastic is not good for you or for the environment, so you can reuse it twice or thrice, or you can just make it a planter out of it. I just wanted to paint this sipper for a while, and for that I'm using acrylic colors. I will try to write down all the names of these colors in the description box. So I'm making the easiest filler flowers on it. Like, you just have to make 3-stroke flower, like downstrokes, one downstroke, straight downstroke, and two slant downstrokes for making this flower. So it will be very easy. I'm adding white color in it so that it will be more bright and vibrant. Okay, one disclaimer, we are using acrylic color and on plastic we are using, so आपके colors बाहर आ जाएंगे after one wash. I think बहुत easily वापस आ जाएंगे. But if you want to use as a planter, then you can use varnish from Camlin or from Itsy Bitsy. They have varnish, you can apply that and it will be there. Like on plastic also it will be there. But if you are applying varnish, then you won't be able to use it as a sipper, because varnishes have that chemicals and all, so obviously it is not good for your health. तो आपको वो अगर आप वार्निश अप्लाई करें तो आप उसको यूटिलाइज़ नहीं कर सकते, बट हाँ, एज अ पेन स्टैंड और एज अ प्लांटर you can use. Now for leaves and stems, I will take light green and dark green color, like parrot green and sap green color. I will write down the name in the description, inshallah. So I'm just making stems and will make leaves, and in that also I'm gonna add white color because ultimately it will make everything bright and visible. So I'm gonna use these 3 colors for making leaves and stems. So one more thing, I have added tissue. I kept that inside this disposable zipper, uh, just because whatever I am making, you'll be able to see what I'm making, because वो transparent था, आपको वो ठीक से दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा होगा what I was painting. That's why I have just added that tissue, so that because of that white background, all the colors and flowers you'll be able to see properly. I think you all should try it out. It is very easy. Just give it a try. Maybe it will turn out bad, but you will experience and you will create. You might not be able to create exactly what I'm making, but it will be beautiful in its own way. So I think you should try it out. You can use a jar, bottle of jam, and sauce bottle, whatever you have. Just give it a try. And if you recreate this, then do tag me on Instagram. I'll just put the link of my Instagram ID in the description box, inshallah. So just tag me there. After making flowers and leaves, I'm just adding random stems here and there. That's it. Now I will pour some black coffee in it, as you can see, and the bubbles, just because of bubbles I thought I should have done splatters as well. वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर मैं white splatters इसके ऊपर करूँ तो. Tada, it's ready, and you can see, I don't know why, but I feel like मुझे थोड़े से और बड़े बनाने थे in terms of height. थोड़े से और बड़े होते तो it would look much better than this one. But ठीक है, as of now it is fine. So that was all. I hope you liked this video, and if you really want to watch more videos like this, like best out of waste kind of a videos, then do let me know in the comment section.